the mountain and it's snowing and it looks like we're in Narnia from all the snow and the cliffs. There are cliffs on both sides of us right now. It looks pretty cool actually. Micah's going super slow.
We're like 7 kilometers.
Okay, well she was going really slow before. We were behind a snow
Yo,
plow.
finish your oranges.
So it looks pretty nice. We're almost at the border to California and yeah, there's a ton of snow here. It looks really nice. And it actually looks like Narnia. Micah's the snow queen.